everybody! I'm making 밑반찬 today. It's called 명란젓, fermented pollock roe. I'm using frozen pollock roe. I know all of you guys who follow my recipes and then you are just waiting for me. Oh, this time what kind of recipe is going to be introduced? So today is kind of a little bit hardcore. Korean grocery store, they always sell this 명란젓 in the corner of frozen section. Very expensive. Even though that's expensive, why they sell this? There is a customer to buy this. But now you guys can make it at home. Let's make it together. You know, you'll be surprised how simple it is. We need 1 pound raw from pollock. It says 12 ounce. So, but when you wash this and take it out and then around 11 ounce, it was frozen, but I just throw out in the refrigerator. Let's see. This is. Okay, this is 1 pound. You probably, what am I going to do with this leftover? You can put it in the fish stew, 매운탕. In the last minute, you can add so that you can make a really delicious fish stew. So I will use around 1 tablespoon salt. Just now, really, we washed nicely. I'm going to put all this here. And I will use this one to mix this all with the seasonings. So first, I will just add this 1/4 cup Korean gochugaru, hot pepper flakes, plus 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon, plus 1 teaspoon. This is mirin, kind of a cooking wine, sweet and also removing some fishy smell. I will use this 3 tablespoons. 2, 3. Very simple. And then garlic and ginger. So 4 cloves of garlic and ginger, 1 teaspoon. Peeled ginger. You can mince or just if you can, just like me, cut into thin matchsticks. Let's put it this here. I need to prepare everything after I'm mixing this, and my hands are going to be all coated with spicy stuff. So just to prepare this thing. This is just my small jar, earthenware jar, and exactly 1 pound is fit very well. This is salty, spicy, garlicky, gingery kind of seasoning. Before adding, I like to check out any stringy stuff. I like to get rid of this. See, like this, and split this. All clean. In the old days, we add lots of salt, more than this. I added only 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon salt. So it's not very salty. It will make a really good side dish. And then what am I going to do? I'm going to just wash my hands quickly and just mix. When you deal with the seafood, it should be so quick because just so easily it's going spoiled. Like this. Just like when you make kimchi. Just coating with it all evenly. Wow, smells. I will put this into my jar. Look at that, exactly 1 pound. Now just I'm cleaning around the edge part. This. I will cover the top with the hot pepper flakes. I want to cover the top with the hot pepper flakes so that it's not going to be exposed to the air. And then cover this. Where to go? To the refrigerator. See you. Bye-bye. You should also bye-bye. Welcome back. Now it's time to open my 명란젓. Time to start eating. This guy. Pickled perilla leaves. I made this 1 year ago. Now, currently, I'm just growing new perilla leaves. When I harvest all my perilla leaves, I will make again. Yay! Look at that. Gorgeous, isn't it? It's firmer than before. So if you make it at home, you don't have to take it out all this. Just keep it here, a piece by piece, take it out and eat. And then after that, always press down on the top so that top of the 명란젓 is not exposed to the air. And always store in the refrigerator. As time passes, it's more tasty. You will taste more deep flavor. I will eat with my kimchi. I need to chop it up really thinly. Let's take 명란젓. Let's do maybe 2 pieces. It's not that salty. Cut like this. See, I want to show you inside. You see? Beautiful. Slice like this. Sesame oil generously, just a drizzle. And then green onion, 1 chopped green onion. And very crunchy toasted sesame seeds. 콩나물 I made this. 콩나물 is always my favorite. And this is mackerel, salty mackerel. And oh, one is missing, so this is my perilla leaves. I will just eat only. This is not very salty, you know. Look at that, gorgeous, eh? So color is like olive green. These days also, my perilla leaves are growing very well. You will see soon. I'm going to show you on my patio. And rice and soup. This is, I made 된장국 with napa cabbage. Napa cabbage and 된장. Oh, I forgot that. Remove this my anchovy pouch. Anchovy pouch. Last thing is kim. Seaweed paper. I will wrap these things. So delicious. And toast this way. So color change to green color. Can you see? Okay, then let's cut it. Cover. Let's go. Let's go to the patio. Let's have a lunch together. 명란젓, 예. This 된장국, 배추 된장국 is my favorite. Anytime, anywhere, I love this my 배추 된장국. Calm down my stomach. Okay, let's see. Just 명란젓. First, a piece of kim and some rice and this. And kimchi, just a piece. Wrap it, eat. Savory and little salty, and also chopped green onion together. It's a really, when you chew, this is so good. Between this side dish, we always, I'm going back to my soup. And next, I will just eat, this is mackerel. You know, pan fried mackerel, salty mackerel. So let's taste the mackerel. So mackerel also, I like to wrap this in kim. I will just add some kimchi here a little bit. This way, this way you eat. Each side dish has its own unique flavor. I made 명란젓. I never eat 명란젓 by itself. Always with other side dishes. So be sure to know that, right? This is a Korean kind of a Korean table settings. Then now let's go back to my 명란젓 again. Like this. And cheers, everybody! I want to put this in your mouth if you are here. All these side dishes, I made this, all homemade. I know that you guys can do. So I'm going to keep eating this, and this is my dessert, my favorite, pig. Today we learn about Korean 명란젓, fermented pollock roll. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.